Hi friends, today's recipe is potatoes in green coriander paste. This sabzi is typically a Sindhi recipe packed with flavors of coriander and garlic. You can view the Green Coriander Masala Paste video which has been uploaded earlier. This sabzi can be made as a dry dish or with gravy to be had with Sindhi style khichdi. Many a times it is fondly prepared during Sindhi festivals of Satain when it is customary to consume food cooked the previous day. Join me and be ready to get infused with the aromatic flavors of this recipe. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We have taken 3 small potatoes peeled and cut into roundels. These roundels should be of equal thickness, and once cut you have to keep them dipped in water till you cook them. Then we have half cup of coriander masala paste, which you can make it fresh or you can thaw the frozen one. Then half cup of tomato puree, or you could even cut one medium size tomato. 3 tablespoons oil and a little more for shallow frying. 1 teaspoon of salt. We need to adjust according to taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. We don't need much because there are chilies already in the coriander paste. Then 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Firstly, we will heat oil and add the drained potato roundels. We will shallow fry the roundels on medium flame. Some may also boil the roundels instead of shallow frying. Add a pinch of salt. Continue to shallow fry till the potatoes are half cooked. You may cut into the wedges shape, but generally the roundel shape is preferred. When the potatoes are half done, remove from the oil. Drain any excess oil and just keep 3 tablespoons oil. Now in this remaining oil, you add the green masala paste, that is the coriander paste. Saute for a few seconds. Now add the tomato puree, or you can also add chopped tomatoes. Now saute till the liquids dry. This has to be done on medium flame, otherwise the paste may get burnt. Once the liquids dry up, add the turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, and a bit of chili powder. Continue to saute. Throughout, the sautéing has to be done on medium flame. You can see the oil on the sides. This shows that the masala paste is ready. Now it is time to add the potatoes, the fried potatoes. Just stir fry for some time till the potatoes are well coated with the masala paste. You could also add a little bit more of green chilies if needed. Once the potatoes are coated with the masala, it is time to add the water. Half a cup of water would do. We are adding as much water required so that the potatoes are cooked. We don't need much liquid. It's going to be a dry sabzi. Now we will reduce the flame. Sprinkle some garam masala. Garam masala gives a very nice aroma. We'll cover and cook on very low flame for 10 minutes or so till the potatoes are done. We'll check for the doneness. I think it's done. So here the sabzi is ready. Potatoes in green masala paste. Serve it out in a dish and enjoy this flavorful recipe with your family and friends. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, goodbye.